Okay, so in this video, we'll take a quick look at how you can add a formula to a cell in Excel. Okay, so first off, which of these cells can you add a formula to? And the answer is anyone. You can add a formula into any one of these cells, anyone you like. Okay, so I'm going to stick with cell A1 right here at the top left. And let's start typing a formula. So to start, type an equal sign. Okay, now this is the defining moment of a formula. Whenever you type an equal sign, you are letting Excel know that everything following the equal sign should be seen as a formula and should be evaluated as a formula. Okay, once we have the equal sign, we can just start typing a formula. So let's calculate the value of 2 plus 2. Very simple formula. Okay, so to show that we're done, we can just hit the enter key on our keyboard. Now watch what happens. The cursor is moved one cell down, and where we've just typed our formula, we see the answer being displayed. So the answer is 4, as we can see. Now, where did the formula go? Okay, so when we look up here in the formula bar, we can see that the formula is still there. What we're seeing here is just the answer, but the formula is what is behind the answer. The formula is being evaluated, and Excel only displays the answer for us. So what happens if I type the formula without an equal sign? Let's see what happens. In that case, you can see that it just stays the same. It does not change at all. Excel does not do anything with it. It just sees it as text, which is also why it is left aligned. Numbers are always right aligned and text is left aligned. So Excel sees this as text and left aligns it. There's nothing being evaluated. Okay, so let's look at a few more examples. Let's try equals 5 minus 3 and hit enter. Okay, so the answer is 2. And one last one, let's try equals 4 divided by 2 and hit enter. Another 2. Okay, so that's how you add a formula to a cell in Excel. So how do you edit a formula in Microsoft Excel? Well, there's basically two ways, and I'm going to show you how to do both of them right now. So I've got two formulas that I've entered here, and you can see the answers are being displayed in the cells, but whenever I click on a cell, the formula is displayed up top in the formula bar. So when I click here, the formula changes to the correct one behind cell B2. Okay, so now to edit this formula, the first way to do this is simply to double click the cell. Double click, and there the formula loads into the cell, and we can move around with the arrow keys, we can delete things, we can add some more, and to show that we are done, simply hit the enter key on the keyboard. There, okay, so it's now been changed and the answer has also been updated. When we click here, we see that the formula has now been changed. Okay, so the second way to do this, let's use this one, is to simply click on the cell you want to edit and then move your mouse up top to the formula bar and click there. And there you can make changes as you like and simply hit enter once you are done. Okay, so those are the two ways in which you can edit a formula in Excel.